Hello friends, I hope that you are doing well and I am also pretty fine. Today we will talk about the ultimate Chengdu J-10C, which is also known as the Vigorous Dragon. When it comes to Chengdu J-10C, it is a medium-weight single-engine multi-role combat aircraft capable of all-weather operations, configured with a delta wing and a canard design. J-10C fighter jet took its first flight on 23 March 1998 and it was introduced in 2005 to the world. It is one of the finest masterpieces of Chinese Air Force. J-10C is an amazing aircraft containing the crew capacity of a single pilot, 14,000 kilograms of gross weight, and the power plant of WS-10B afterburning turbofan engines makes it a spectacular aircraft fighter jet of 4th generation era. Multirole fighter jet has a maximum speed of 1.8 Mach, a fuel capacity of 5,000 liters approximately, and a combat range of 1240 kilometers. And this multi-role fighter jet has total 11 hard points for rockets, missiles, and bombs. The Vigorous Dragon uses an AESA radar, which makes it a challenging opponent. Since it is introduced, China has built 600 plus numbers of J-10C fighter aircraft, and until now, Pakistan and China Air Force are the currently primary users of this aircraft. And as of now, Pakistan has total 20 J-10C aircrafts. We tried our best to make this video an interesting piece of information. Do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell button. Please enlighten us with your precious feedback